Hello everyone, welcome to GeoGebra with K.Kumaravelu. I am K.Kumaravelu. In this video, we will begin a new series on theory of equations using GeoGebra. Instead of only learning formulas, we will visualize the equations and their graphs, making the concept easiest to understand. Let's get started. Let's open GeoGebra and create the three sliders A, B, C. Now type f of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. A parabola appears instantly. Let's explore what happens when we change each coefficients. Changing A, move the slider A. Notice if A is positive, the parabola open upwards. If A is negative, it opens downward. The large values of A makes the parabola narrower and small values make it wider. Changing B, now move the B slider. Observe how the parabola shifts and change its position. Changing the C, finally move the slider C. Notice that graph moves up and down because C is a y-intercept. GeoGebra allows us to see these changes instantly. Now let's find the roots of the equation. GeoGebra marks the points where the graph intersects the x-axis. These x coordinates are called roots or zeros of the polynomial. Let's try a new few examples. Suppose a equal to 5, a equal to 5 and b equal to minus 5 and c equal to 6. Just change the values in the sliders. Okay, just now enter. Okay, so these values are not suitable, so I want to change one some particular values. Okay, I use the slider and change the values. Okay, and so hide the y-intercept and change the value. Okay, I adjust the screen and now fix a equal to 1. Okay, and b equal to minus 5 and c equal to maybe 6. Okay, now the graph cuts the x-axis at 2 and 3. Therefore, x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0 has two real roots, x equal to 2 and x equal to 3. I hope you enjoyed this introduction to the theory of equations using GeoGebra. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more GeoGebra based mathematics lessons. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.